Facebook actually pays you for views, real money, and not pennies, but here's the catch nobody explains well. A video can pull 2.5 million views and earn less than one with 200,000. I'll show you the real setup, step by step, and exactly why that happens. Let's go. So it works like you post reels on Facebook. People scroll and watch them, same as TikTok or Shorts, and Facebook shows ads in that feed. When you're approved into their monetization program, you get a cut of that ad money based on your views. It is simple in theory, but it is messy in practice because Facebook barely explains any of it. So yeah, let's fix that step by step. Step 1, you need a Facebook page, not your personal profile. Go to your main account, click to profiles, and then just create a new page, and this will make a separate page for your content, not your actual name and old high school friends. Just give it a name, pick a category close to your niche, and you're set up. And this page is what you'll actually post reels to, and it is the only thing eligible for monetization. If you skip this step, and nothing else here will work. Now, step 2, if you already post on Instagram or TikTok, don't start from zero on Facebook. 2 smart moves here is, first of all, Instagram has a setting that auto-uploads your new reels straight to Facebook and Threads the moment you post them. Turn that on. It is just zero extra effort for every new video going forward. Second of all, for your old content already sitting on Instagram, just use a repurposing tool. These let you connect your accounts and auto-schedule your existing videos onto Facebook on a set schedule. A few times a day, fully automatic, you upload once, it distributes everywhere. Now, this matters because multi-platform distribution is generally the smart strategy in 2026. Same content, several income streams. For work you already did once. And don't stop at Facebook. Once you've got a repurposing workflow set up, add Pinterest to the rotation too. It's not just for pins anymore, and creators are quietly picking up product sales and extra reach there with zero additional filming. Step 3, and here's the part that tests your patience, getting approved. There used to be a separate bonus program just for Reels, and Facebook shut that down in 2025. And now everything, ads, Reels, subscriptions, tips, runs through one unified content monetization program, or CMP. Now, this here, the general requirements for it is that you have a page in a professional mode, usually around 5 to 10,000 followers, a chunk of watch time minutes as well in the last 60 days, and original content only. No reposted stuff that isn't yours. Now, here's the honest part. Hitting those numbers doesn't guarantee anything at all. Even after you qualify, it's still invite only. Facebook decides when to let you in with no clear countdown you can watch. It's not like YouTube at all. Now, for a lot of creators, that's months of consistent posting before you're randomly accepted. It is frustrating, but that's genuinely how the program works right now. Just keep posting. It does happen. And once you're in, connect a payout method, accept the terms, and you're live. Now, minimum payout is usually around $100 before you can actually withdraw anything. That's bad that they have this minimum payout. I don't think that no platform has this. But the part that actually matters for your money, because 2 videos with wildly different view counts can pay completely opposite amounts. Now, reason number 1 is video length and watch time. Longer videos, over a minute, they qualify for more ad placements and generally earn more per 1,000 views than a 15-second clip. A video people actually watch most of the way through earns more than one people scroll past in 4 seconds. Watch time beats raw views every time. Now, reason number 2, where your viewers are. So the audience location. US and UK viewers are worth dramatically more in ad money than viewers from lower ad revenue countries. A talking English language video naturally pulls a more US heavy audience than a visual only clip anyone in the world can watch. That single factor alone can be the difference between a video earning real money and one earning almost nothing. Even with far more total views. Now, reason number 3, and it's the honest, slightly murky one, not every view even qualifies for monetization. Facebook filters out a chunk of views that don't meet its criteria. Sometimes 30 to 50% of your total views don't count at all, and the platform isn't fully clear about why. So raw view count can be deeply misleading here. A smaller, well-targeted, longer video can out-earn a viral short one for these exact reasons stacked together. And your niche matters too. Finance, business, and tech. This content consistently earns several times more per view than general entertainment because advertisers pay more to reach that kind of audience. A finance page pulling 500,000 monthly views in a strong niche can land somewhere around $1,500 a month at a solid RPM. A general entertainment page with the same views might make a fraction of that. Now, let's talk some of these real numbers. You've got these like Facebook earning calculators because reports vary a lot here, generally more than most platforms, depending on the source and your specific mix of niche, geography, and video length. Creators report anywhere from a few cents to several dollars per 1,000 views. Wide range. That's not me being vague. It's generally how inconsistent this platform is compared to YouTube, which is far more predictable. So don't anchor your expectations on any one number you've seen online, including mine. Just post consistently, check your own actual numbers once you're monetized, and adjust based on what your specific content earns. Your niche and audience decide your real number, not a generic estimate. And one extra timing tip, ad rates across the board tend to spike sharply in the fourth quarter as brands ramp up holiday spending. If you've got your best content ready, saving some of it for October through December can generally boost what the exact same video would have earned in a quieter month. So yeah, that's a strategy and a small little tip. So yeah, honestly, Facebook Reels can generally pay. It's real revenue, not a rumor. But it's also one of the more patience testing programs out there. Let's just say it like that. There are some vague thresholds, invite-only approval, and view counts that don't tell the whole story. The smart move is treating it as one stream in a stack, not your whole plan. You're already making the content for Instagram or TikTok, for example. Cross-posting it to Facebook is just close to free money on top of work you already did. So just optimize for watch time over raw views, lean into higher paying niche if you can, and go in expecting a slow, invite-based approval process. Do that, and it becomes a genuinely worthwhile extra income stream sitting on top of everything else you're already building. So that's the real step-by-step. Set up your page, auto-post your existing content, and wait out the approval. And optimize for watch time and audience, not just views. So yeah, set up your page today, turn on auto cross-posting, let it run. That's how this starts. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.